Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Stable Diffusion. So you can open your browser and try to search Stable Diffusion, and this is the home page. This is like quick start for you. Create stunning high quality image, just a few words. One click to create specific image aesthetic with over 100 style. Personal model, fine tune your own models and for specific style character or object. So let's start by tap on create image. So let's start to fill this prompt a dragon, for example, fire, red, negative prompt, anything you like to exclude. It is optional. A human warrior, dislike prompt, adherence, image guidance here. Oh, you have to purchase starter or above subscription to use image guidance. Output size, this is you can adjust aspect ratio, but you have to purchase any subscription to have flexible image size. Also this one you have to purchase any subscription. Number of image, I think let's just start by 2 images and then create. Oh, you have to sign in. So the image is generated. Your private creation will be stored for 2 weeks. This one, this is the AI image created or generated by AI. This is dragon fire breath. I make a prompt before, so feel free to try to use this a free open art AI Stable Diffusion. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so on this button below. See you in the next video.